What actually happens inside your anatomy when you stop eating for an entire day? Right now, your body is running on a specific biological code, constantly burning glucose for energy. But if you pause the fuel intake for 24 hours, you trigger a hidden survival mechanism deeply embedded in your DNA. From cell cleaning spikes to massive growth hormone surges, your organs undergo a radical transformation. Here is the exact hourly timeline of what happens to your body during a 24-hour fast. During the first 4 hours after your last meal, your body is in the fed state. Right now, it is busy digesting the nutrients you just consumed. Your pancreas releases insulin to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells for immediate energy. Anything extra is stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen. At this stage, everything feels normal. Your anatomy is functioning on external fuel. As you cross the 5-hour mark, blood sugar levels begin to decline. Since no new food is coming in, insulin levels drop significantly. This is where most people face their first psychological challenge: hunger pangs. Your stomach secretes a hormone called ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone. Ghrelin sends a sharp signal to your brain demanding food. However, this is a code response, not true starvation. If you ignore it, your body begins to look inward. It starts breaking down the stored glycogen in your liver to keep your blood glucose stable. You are officially entering the fasting zone. This is where the real magic happens. By hour 12, your liver's glycogen stores are nearly depleted. Your body reaches a critical turning point known as the metabolic switch. With no sugar left to burn, your anatomy shifts into fat-burning mode. Your liver begins converting fatty acids into molecules called ketones, which become the preferred fuel source for your brain. You are now entering light ketosis, but the most profound cellular code activates around hour 16, autophagy. Derived from the Greek words for self-eating, autophagy is your body's internal recycling system. Your cells begin to hunt down old, damaged proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, and even dormant viruses, breaking them down to create brand new, healthy cellular components. It is a literal biological deep cleaning. As you push past 18 hours, your body recognizes that food is scarce and optimizes your anatomy for survival. To protect your lean muscle mass and accelerate tissue repair, your brain triggers a massive release of human growth hormone, or HGH. Scientific studies show that a 24-hour fast can increase HGH levels by up to 2,000% in men and 1,300% in women. HGH is often called the youth hormone because it burns fat, repairs collagen, and promotes cellular longevity. Concurrently, inflammation markers across your entire body drop sharply, giving your immune system a much-needed rest. You have made it to 24 hours. At this final milestone, your intestinal stem cells are regenerating, your inflammation is minimized, and your mental clarity is likely at an all-time high thanks to ketone fueling. You have successfully rewritten your biological code for the day. But remember, how you break your fast is just as important as the fast itself. After 24 hours, your digestive system is asleep. Flooding it with heavy carbs or fast food will crash your system and spike your insulin aggressively. Instead, break the code gently with a light bone broth, healthy fats like avocado, or a small portion of lean protein. Your anatomy is a highly complex machine, and fasting is one of the most powerful keys to unlocking its true potential. If you found this guide valuable, hit the subscribe button to unlock more hidden codes of human anatomy. See you in the next video!